In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect make.com to a REST API HTTP request. If the service you want to use is not listed in Make's catalog, you can still connect to it with the built-in HTTP app. REST APIs accept HTTP requests such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE, and most of them return data in JSON. Your goal is to configure one HTTP module so it sends the right request, and Make can read the response. Start by opening make.com and creating a new scenario, or opening an existing one where you want this call to run. You will see a blank canvas. This is where the HTTP module will live and where you can connect it to other modules later. Add the HTTP module by clicking the plus button and searching for HTTP. You will see a few variants. Choose the one that matches the API's authentication method described in the API's documentation. Use Make a request for a simple unauthenticated call. Make an API. Key auth request. When the API expects a key, make a basic auth request if it needs a username and password, or make an OAuth 2.0 request for providers that use OAuth. Picking the right type up front saves time and prevents authentication errors. Configure the request in the module settings. Select the method the endpoint expects, such as GET to retrieve data or POST to create something. Paste the full URL of the endpoint, including any path and query parameters. If the API needs headers, add them here, for example, an authorization header and a content type header. If you are sending data with POST or PUT, add the request body in the format the API requires, commonly JSON. Make sure parse response is set to yes so Make can automatically decode JSON and expose fields for mapping. For APIs that use a bearer token, your headers will typically include authorization, bearer followed by your token, and content type, application/JSON. Only use secure storage for secrets and avoid placing sensitive values in notes or comments. Test your setup by clicking Run once. Make will send the request and show the output of the module. If you see valid data, you are connected and ready to map fields into the rest of your scenario. If you get an error, compare the method, URL, headers, and body against the API documentation. Common issues include a wrong endpoint path, a missing or malformed authorization header, or a content type that does not match the body format. Once the request returns the data you expect, you can reuse this module anywhere in your scenario to power custom API workflows right inside Make.